If you're on a Mac and want to dive into Python, whether for web development, data science, or just for fun, you're in the right place. Today we're going to install Python on macOS. Step by step, let's jump in. Head to python.org, the official Python website, mouse over the downloads, and you'll see the latest version, Python 3.13.5 as of June 2025. Click the gray button to start downloading the file. Pro tip, always get Python from the official site to avoid sketchy downloads. Now click the package file to start the installer, follow the prompts, click Continue, agree to the license, and install for all users unless you have a specific reason not to. It'll ask for your admin password, so type that in. The installer sets up Python to your system path. Once it's done, you're almost ready to code. It will ask you to keep or move to trash the installer file. I will move it to the trash since I don't need it anymore. Let's make sure Python is installed correctly. Open a new terminal and type Python 3 -- version. You should see the version you just installed, like 3.13.5. And that's it. You've installed Python on macOS, set up a virtual environment, and ran your first script. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.